Just a few words in this case to explain that Bilbao is a city with an excellent quality of life. We continue working in order to build the next future of Bilbao. When I say this, I mean to build the future of our people. The economic development, investment and talent attraction, and urban and human development are the core of our policies. So I would like to highlight the opportunity that digital technologies offer us as a knowledge and innovation tool for urban planning and city management. We want to be a smart city with smart citizens. To face this challenge, the citizens' participation, good governance, maximum transparency and public and private partnership are key aspects of our commitment. Bilbao in the future is going to be a city based in individuals, in improving their quality of life. To finish, I would like to acknowledge the importance of this World City Summit as an opportunity to share the different challenges we are facing. We have to work together, creating a network that will be the best way of sharing best practices and finding solutions to improve our cities to be better places to work and live. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mayor.